Kids TV. Hello friends, today we learn about letter M. Before that, let's view. A B C D E G H I J K L M is capital letter M is small letter M. M for mango, M-A-N-G-O, mango. M for monkey, M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. M for moon, M-O-O-N, moon. M for milk, M-I-L-K, milk. Bye-bye. Kids, if you like my videos, please like and subscribe my channel.